everyone. Hope you all are doing good. In today's session, we are going to see a new chapter, algebraic expressions. And we have already learnt about this algebraic expressions in 6th standard itself, I think. And we have learnt about literal numbers with different fundamental operations of addition, subtraction and multiplication and division. Okay, but in this chapter we are going to generate some algebraic expressions involving one or two variables. Okay, with the same operation, fundamental operations, addition, subtraction. Okay, children. And what is an algebraic expression? A combination of constants and variables which are connected by any fundamental operations like plus or minus, multiplication or division, connected by any or all of the four fundamental operations. Four fundamental operations. What are they? Plus, minus, multiplication and division. Okay, children. So we have already come across the expressions like 4a, 5b and 7x, 11y. Just with the number we will use a variable like x, y. What are those variables? If we connect or combined a constant with a variable, that is if 7x and 4y, these are all called, this x is called variable, this y is called variable. Okay, these are called variables. And what is constant? We can also obtain expressions by combining variables with themselves or with other variables. Okay, and constant is without the variable. If it is coming like this, 4x plus 9, then 9 is called as constant and this x is called variable. And what is this 4? This 4 is called as coefficient. This 4 is called as coefficient of x. We have got only one variable here. Even we can make 2 or 3 variables with the operations of minus, plus or anything else. Okay, so if I take 4x plus 5y plus 6, then x is a variable and y is a variable, and here what is the coefficient of x? It is multiplied with 4, so 4 is the coefficient, right? And here what is the coefficient of y? This is variable and 5 is the coefficient. Okay, do you understand? And 6 without any variable, this is called as constant. Okay, children. And it is observed that in this expression there are parts which are formed separately and then we have added or subtracted. That is in this term 2x plus 5. 2x is first formed, that is 2 is multiplied with x and 2x is formed. Again it is added with the second term 5, that is constant. So then only we are getting this 2x plus 5. See in this another example, 2x squared plus 5y minus 4z. First we have formed 2 into x, right? Plus 5 is multiplied by y and then we are subtracting 4 into z. Okay, children. First we have formed separately the terms. Okay, these are all formed separately and after that we are adding or subtracting. Okay, then only we are getting this 2x square plus 5y minus 4z. So what is a term? That is, if we are forming the parts separately, if we are forming the parts separately and then we are adding or subtracting by using the fundamental operations, then it is called terms. These are called as terms. See, in this expression 2x square plus 5y minus 4z, we have three terms, that is 2x squared is one term, 5y is one term and 4z is one term. So we have three terms. See, in this 2x plus y, so 2x plus y, we have two terms, right? Okay, 2x is one term and 5 constant is another term. In this we have three terms. Like that we can form any number of terms using variables and constant. These are all called algebraic expressions. Okay children, and what are the factors of the terms? Factors of a term. See, this whole thing is called algebraic expression and these are all called terms. So we have got three terms in this. And what are the factors of a term? That is, if we take a expression like this term as 4x squared y, say 4x squared y, and it is a product of 4 into x into y, right? So then only we are getting this 4x squared y. So we call all these 4, x, y the factors or the factors of 4x squared y, right? That is, we can also say the term is a product of these factors. Shall we say like that? See, the term is the product of all these factors. See, we are saying 4 is a factor, x and y are the factors of this. Or either we can say the term is a product of the factors. Okay children, and the factors it should not be further factorized. Okay, so or it is to be as prime, they are to be prime, or it should not be further factorized. So then only they are called as factors of a term. Example, 2x squared z, if you take, what are the factors then? 2, x, y are the factors. You understand children? Factors of 2x squared z. So we have seen what is a variable and what is a coefficient and what is a constant and what are the factors of the term. Okay, and constant is a without any variable or without any factor is called a constant. Okay children, next we will see the exercise problems in this chapter. Okay.